Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your debit card on the OnePay mobile app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, look for the option that says Card or My Cards on the home screen or menu. Tap on it to see your debit card list. Next, select the debit card you want to activate. You will see an option that says Activate Card. Tap on it. Now the app will ask you to enter some details. Usually this includes your card number, expiry date, and sometimes the CVV at the back of your card. Enter these carefully. After entering your card details, next tap Submit. This app may send you a one-time password OTP through SMS or email for security. Enter that OTP. Once the OTP is verified, your debit card will be activated and ready to use for payment, transfer, and others OnePay features. And that's it. You have successfully activated your debit card on the OnePay mobile app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.